Hello 6th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing about the estimation method of natural numbers and whole numbers. Now coming to the worksheet 7, estimate 215 plus 436. For addition and subtraction, what is the estimation method? Examples we have already understood. So first we have to round off the numbers, isn't it? For estimation method we have to round off the numbers. So how to do it? So first it is a 215 is rounded off to hundreds. Both are in hundreds, round off both the numbers in the hundreds. So underline the hundreds place. Right side of the hundreds place, the digit is 1, less than 5. So this one will be 2 itself. So 2 and 2 zeros, that is 200. So 215 is rounded off to 200. Now the next number is 436. Underline the hundreds place 4. To the right of it, it is 3, less than 5. So it will be 400. If the digit to the right of the particular place, if it is 5 and more than 5, then you have to increase the digit by 1. Isn't it? Remember the rounding off method. Now 215 is rounded off to 200 and 436 is rounded off to 400. So the answer is 600. सबको समझ में आया है ना? दोनों नंबर्स हंड्रेड्स में है, इसके लिए राउंड ऑफ टू हंड्रेड्स. Now 1238 and 4298. So it is a 1000 place is 1 and here the 1000 place is 4. So you round off to hundreds only. Okay. So 1238. Underline the hundreds place. To the right of it, it is 3. So it will be how much? It is a 1200. And now 4298. Underline the hundreds place. It is 2. To the right of it, it is 9. So it will become 3. 2 will become 3. Why? More than 5. So it will become 4300. Now write the numbers. So 1238 will become 1200 plus 4298 will become 4300. So when you add ones place, tens place, 00, 3 plus 2, 5 and 4 plus 1 is 5. Answer is 5500. Is it clear? Now coming to the 15,409 and 3,288. One is in 10,000, the other is in 1,000. So round off to thousands place. 15409. Underline the thousands place. To the right it is 4. So it will become 15,000. Now 3,288. Underline the thousands place. To the right it is 2. So it will be 3,000. Okay. Now 15,409 is rounded off to 15,000 plus 3,288 is rounded off to 3,000. So 15 plus 3 is 18,000. Now coming to the fourth sum, all are in hundreds, round off to hundreds. So it is 618, underline 6, hundreds place, to the right it is 1, so it will become 600. 561, underline 5 in hundreds place, to the right it is 6, so 5 has to be increased by 1 digit, so it will be 600. Now 372, underline 3 in hundreds place, so 7 greater than 5, so it will become 400. सबको समझ में आया होगा. सो 600, 6 इन 100 प्लेस, राइट साइड में 1 है तो लेस देन 5, इसके लिए 6 एज इट इज रहेगा और 600. 100 का प्लेस में 5 है, अंडरलाइन करो, टू द राइट इट इज 6, 5 से ज्यादा है, इसके लिए ये बनेगा 6, दैट इज 600. And 3, underline 3 in hundreds place, to the right it is 7, मतलब 5 से ज्यादा है तो 3 बनता है 4 और राइट साइड 2 0, तो 372 राउंड ऑफ टू 400. अभी उसको वैल्यूज डालो. सो फर्स्ट आया 600, सेकेंड का आया 600 और थर्ड का आया 400. So 600 plus 400, 1000, 1000 plus 600, 1600. ठीक है. Now coming to the subtraction, 4 sums of a addition, 4 sums of subtraction. So again both are in a hundreds place. So first it is a rounding off. So 869, underline 8 in hundreds place, to the right it is 6, so it will increase by 1, so it is 900. 341, underline 3 in hundreds place, to the right it is 4, so it remains 3 as it is, that is 300. Now put the values. 869 became 900 minus 341 became 300. So the answer is 600. Is it clear? Now coming to the sixth sum, both are in thousands. So round off to 1000. 8565, underline thousands place. So it is 5, means it will increase by 1 digit, that is 9000. And 4341, underline 4 in thousands place, to the right it is 3, so it will remain the same, that is 4000. Now put the values. First it is 9000 and next it is 4000. 9000 minus 4000 is 5000. Is it clear? Now coming to the seventh sum. First it is a 1048 and the second one is 692. Both you have to round off to hundreds place. So it will be underline 0 in hundreds place, to the right it is 4, so it is smaller, it remains the same, that is 1000. Now 6 in hundreds place, to the right side it is 9, greater than 5, so it will be 700. Now put the values. First number is 1000, second number is 700. It will be 1000 minus 700 is 300. Is it clear? समझ में आ गया है ना सबको? तो जो भी ये ब्रैकेट में डाले हैं आप लोग राइट साइड में लिख सकते हैं. मैं साइड बाय साइड 2 ऐसे लिखी हूँ सम्स, इसके लिए जो भी रफ वर्क है वो नीचे लिखी हूँ, आप लोग उसको राइट साइड में लिख सकते हैं। नाउ बोथ आर इन 10,000 प्लेस, सो 7, 8, 4, 3, 2 and 7, 1, 4, 9, 2. Underline the thousands place. So here both have to be rounded off to thousands place. So 8, right side it is 4, less, so it will be 78,000. Next, underline 1, to the right it is 4, so it becomes 71,000. So, first number is 78,000 minus 71,000. You got the answer is 78 minus 71 is 7,000. Clear? Now coming to the example 14, that is estimate the product of the numbers. Estimate the product of the numbers. Okay, so it is example 14, 63 into 182. So first round offs. Here the method is little bit different. So 63 is rounded off to tens and 182 is rounded off to hundreds. So 63 to tens, right side it is say 3, so it will be 60, and 182, underline 1 in hundreds place, so it will be 8 bigger, so it will be 200. Put the values. So first 63 became 60 and 182 became 200. 6 2s are 12. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. It is 12,000. Okay. Now the second sum, it is 52. Round off to tens, and 786 round off to hundreds. So tens, so underline 5, to the right it is 2, so ये 50 रहेगा. अब इधर underline 7 in hundreds place, right side it is 8, so 7 बनता है 800. Put the values. 52 बनेगा 50, 786 बनेगा 800, 5 8s are 40, 1 2 3 zeros. Answer is 40,000. Is it clear? Now coming to the worksheet 8, both are in tens, so टेंस को ही राउंड ऑफ करो. सो 61, अंडरलाइन 6, राइट साइड 1 है तो 61 बिकम 60. 4 इन टेंस प्लेस, अंडरलाइन करो. 7 बड़ा है तो ये 4 बनेगा 5, मतलब 50. वैल्यूज डालो. 61 का राउंड ऑफ होके 60 बना. 47 का राउंड ऑफ होके 50 बना. 6 5s are 30, 1 2 zeros. So the answer is 3,000. Now coming to the second sum, both are in hundreds. So round off to hundreds. Underline the hundreds place. 5 in hundreds place. 8 बड़ा है तो ये बनेगा 6, So मतलब 600. Now in the second one, underline 2 in hundreds place. 4 छोटा है तो ये बनेगा 200. वैल्यूज डालो. फर्स्ट का आया 600, सेकेंड का आया 200. 6 2s are 12. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. So answer is 1,20,000. Is it okay? Now coming to the third sum. It's a 9 into 677. Okay. Now 9 and 677. So 9. You have to round off to tens. So 9 बड़ा है मतलब 09 है ना, 9 का मतलब. So 9 बड़ा है तो ये बनेगा 10. 9 is near to 10, that is why it is rounded off to 10. Now 677, underline 6, right side में 7 है तो बड़ा है तो 6 बनेगा 7 and 0 0. So 9 is rounded off to 10 and 677 is rounded off to 700. So 7 ones are 7 and 3 zeros. Answer is 7,000. Now coming to the fourth sum, both are in hundreds. 8 6 4 and 3 4 2. Underline 8, राइट साइड में 6 है तो ये बनेगा 900. अगर अंडरलाइन 3, राइट साइड 4 है तो ये बनेगा 3 as it is, that is 300. Put the values. First number is 900, second number is 300. 9 3s are 27. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. कॉमास डालो. आंसर आया 2,70,000. Is it okay? Clear? So we have completed the worksheet 8 up to question number 4. Now coming to the question number 5. It is a 913 into 752. Hope you are understanding the sums, isn't it? It's a 913 and 752. Both round off to hundreds because both are in hundreds. 9 के राइट साइड में 1 है तो ये रहेगा 9 as it is, so 900. 7 अंडरलाइन करो, राइट साइड में 5 है मतलब ये एक डिजिट बढ़ेगा मतलब 800. वैल्यूज डालो. इट इज फर्स्ट नंबर इज 900, सेकेंड नंबर इज 800. 9 8s are 72. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Put the commas. The answer is 7,20,000. Okay. Now coming to the next sum. One is in 1000, the other is in 100. So first number has to be round off to thousands place and second number is in hundreds to round off to hundreds. So first में 1000 के प्लेस में 4 को अंडरलाइन करो, राइट साइड में 3 है तो ये रहेगा 4 as it is मतलब 4000. और राइट सेकेंड में अंडरलाइन 6 in hundreds, राइट साइड में 0 है तो ये 6 as it is रहेगा, that is 600. Now put the values. First number is 4000, second number is 600, 4 6 are 24. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Put the commas. Answer is 24 lakh. Now coming to the seventh sum. It is both are in thousands place. So round off to thousands place. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. अंडरलाइन 1 in 1000 प्लेस. राइट साइड में 2 है तो ये बनेगा 1000. अंडरलाइन 5 in 1000 प्लेस. राइट साइड it is 6, so it will be increased by 1 digit, that is 6000. Now put the values. First number is 1000. Second number is 6000. 1 6 are 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So answer is 60 lakh. The last sum. First number is 10,000. Second number is 1000. So 10,000 है, इसके लिए उसको 1000 में ही करो. ठीक है. So ये बनेगा 13,459 and 7,801. So 1000 के place underline 3. Right side it is 4. So this one remain the same. So 13,000. And next number is 7,800. So underline 7. Right side it is 8. Bigger, so it becomes 8,000. Okay. So first is 13,000. Second is 8,000. If you know 13 table, it's well and good. Otherwise, 8 3s are 24, 8 1s are 8, 9, 10. 13 8s are 104. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Put the commas. So it got 10 lakh. No, 10 crores 40 lakhs. Isn't it? So we have completed the worksheet 8. The estimation method for both all addition, subtraction, multiplication. Hope everyone understood these sums. Okay then, bye. Thank you.